Chapter 43. Mob. Furious kids begin to arrive at the Admiral's jet. Get him! Get him! Pull him out! They climb up the steel steps. The hatch is open, but just a crack. Risa looks out at the wave of mayhem, like a human tsunami pounding toward her. He's got a girl in there with him! The first of the kids reaches the top of the stairs and heaves the hatch open, only to be met by Risa and a brutal punch to the jaw. It sends him tumbling over the side into the ground, but there's more where he came from. Don't let her close that door! The second kid is met by an aerosol burst of Bactine right into his eyes. The pain is excruciating. He stumbles backward into the other kids coming up the stairs, and they tumble like dominoes. Risa grabs the hatch, swings it closed, and seals it from the inside. Kids are on the wings now, finding every piece of loose metal and frying it up. It's amazing how much of a plane can be shredded by bare-handed fury. Break the windows! Pull them out! Kids on the ground throw rocks that hit their comrades as often as they hit the jet. On the inside, it sounds like a hailstorm. The Admiral blatches at the scene outside the windows. His heart races. His shoulder and arm ache. How did this happen? How did I let this happen? The barrage of stones batters the fuselage, but nothing breaks the armored steel. Nothing cracks the bulletproof glass of the former Air Force One. Then someone tears out the power line connecting the jet to its generator. The lights go out, the air conditioning shuts down, and the entire jet quickly begins to bake in the broiling sun.